Hi, my name is Brian, and I'm developing an online executive coaching program. About 3 weeks ago, I hired Vishnu Hari to help develop my Facebook ad campaign, and Vishnu has given my effort a tremendous lift. He's been so much help, I don't know what I would do without him. He works hard, he's very, very smart and knows Facebook marketing very well, but he's gone way beyond that. He's given me all sorts of help and insight on how to develop an online coaching program. He's given me access to additional learning materials. He's helped me refine my avatar and my marketing approach. And now we're just a week or two away from launching my program, and I give Vishnu a great deal of that credit. I would not be where I am today without his efforts. He's provided outstanding value in a very short amount of time, and I highly recommend his services to anybody looking at developing an online program.